Hi, my name is Anthony Nato. I will be doing a speech on argument by analogy. Something that concludes that something will be accurate for one case if it is true for another similar case. Most useful when giving a persuasive speech on a proposition of policy. Now, here's how I apply it. It's not necessarily to my current job, but it would be in my future job. Now, I'm a very logical person. I use tons of analogies and logic when I'm trying to make my argument or explain something to someone. Now, with with what I want to do, mechanical engineering, basically it's identifying a problem, proving that there is a problem, coming up with a solution, creating a prototype, collecting the data, and coming up with a conclusion. Now, what? Now, how I would apply it now. I use analogies to simplify something if somebody doesn't understand what I'm trying to explain, and it helps them grasp an easier concept of it. Now, one way I can show you that is, okay, let's say an issue with cell phone chargers. A lot of people tend to go with the long cell phone chargers, and I always tell them that I would actually go with the shorter one, and they said, it doesn't make any difference. It's just the length, it's just electricity. And I said, that's actually where you're wrong. Now, I put it this way. Say you've got one track that's 3 foot charger, and then the other track B, is 9 foot charger. Now, one is significantly less. It's actually 3 times smaller. Now you have one runner on the track A, 3 foot. You have one runner on the track B, 9 foot. Now, both runners are on the same speed. Same speed. So, now think of the electricity, that's the runner. You start them, the runner on A is going to be able to complete, now if you have laps, if you have to do 3 laps, the runner on A is going to be able to complete all 3 laps by the time the runner on B completes 1. Because the electricity's got to just keep flowing on through from drawing it from the receptacles into your device. Now, I always use that analogy because people tell me, oh, that doesn't make sense, and I tell them I use an analogy to simplify what I'm trying to get them to grasp. So that's how I make my case in arguments with analogy. Bye now.